Now, Mr. Jones, you've just been handed a document that is titled that's titled Standard Bond Conditions and County Code at Law number 2. And it reads as follows. Following the arrest or following the return of a criminal information in County Code at Law number 2 of Jefferson County, Texas, all bail bonds executed for release of any defendant named herein are ordered subject to the additional conditions. Number 1, the defendant shall commit no offense against the laws of this state, any other state, or the United States. Do you understand that condition? Yes. Condition number 2, the defendant shall submit to testing for drugs and alcohol at any time as directed by the court. The court may revoke the bond and order the arrest of any defendant who A, refuses to submit to a test for drugs and alcohol when directed to do so, or B, submit to a test for drugs and alcohol, and the test indicates the presence of drugs and alcohol in the defendant's body. And that's pursuant to the Texas Code of Criminal Procedure, Article 17.44, Section A2 and C2. Do you understand that condition?
Yeah.
And condition number 3, the defendant shall not communicate either directly or indirectly with the alleged victim of the pending offense, and the defendant shall not go near any residence, school, or other location frequented by the alleged victim. Do you understand that condition?
Yes.
And condition number 4 does not apply to you because that only applies in a driving while intoxicated case. Your case is not a driving while intoxicated case. Now, if you violate any one of these conditions, your bonds can be revoked. If your bond is revoked, the warrant will be issued for your arrest, and you'll be placed in the Jefferson County Jail. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so your attorney is going to get your reset. Once you get your reset from your attorney, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day.
Thanks, sir.
Jefferson County Code at Law number 2 is back in session. Court is in session and cause number M333854, case is styled the state of Texas versus Austin Patrick Bessinger. Mr. Bussinger, excuse me, is on Zoom. Mr. Bussinger, you can take your mic off of mute.
Oh,
How are you doing, Mr. Bussinger?
I'm doing great.
That's good, Mr. Bussinger. You're represented by your attorney James Paget, who is also appearing via Zoom. Mr. Paget, how are you doing?
Awesome, Your Honor. Thank you.
Mr. Paget, what is your announcement in Mr. Bussinger's case?
Your Honor, we have not completed discovery yet. We're still waiting on a video. In the meantime, I have applied for pretrial diversion just to make sure that I was staying on top of things. So I checked on the videotape, still not in as of this morning.
Okay. Now you haven't heard from the pretrial to see whether or not he is.
No, Your Honor. I just applied for it.
Okay.
I was just when I was reviewing the file yesterday, I just wanted to get ahead of it. Of course, I haven't looked at the discovery yet to determine whether we're going to accept the pretrial diversion, even if we were granted it.
Okay. Okay. Now,
No, I don't believe it has bond condition
we don't do them on this. We do it on the DWI seconds.
on the second one.
Yeah. Now, Mr. Mr. Paget, Mr. Bussinger's case is going to be reset to June 21st. Is that a good day for you, Mr. Paget?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. This case will be reset to June 21st, 2023. Mr. Bussinger, stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman. Again, this case is reset to June 21st, 2023 at 9 a.m. You're free to go and you have a blessed day. And Mr. Paget, your reset will be sent to you. And I think this is your only case today.
Yes,
in
Your
this
Honor.
court. You're free to go and you have a blessed day.
You have a blessed day as well, Your Honor. Thank you very
Thank you.
much.
Okay, this is cause number M331064, case of style of state of Texas versus Thalia Chavez. Ms. Chavez, you're here and you're represented by your case, well, by your attorney in your case, Attorney Bruce Cobb. Attorney Cobb is appearing via Zoom. Attorney Cobb, you can take your mic off of mute. Attorney Cobb, how are you doing?
I'm doing fine, Your Honor.
Mr. Cobb, what is your announcement in Ms. Chavez's case?
Your Honor, based upon what she's told me, I think we're just going to go ahead and announce trial.
Okay, give us a reset date. June 12th. Okay, this case will be reset for trial on June 12th of 2023. You need to be here at 9 a.m. on that date. Ms. Chavez, you're going to get your reset here in court. Once you get your reset in court, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day. And Mr. Cobb, your reset will be sent to you. And I think this is your only case. You're free to go and you have a blessed day.
Thank you, Your Honor. You too.
Okay, you're welcome. Let's see, that's. Next cases are cause number M331956 and cause number M331730. Both cases are styled as State of Texas versus Torrey Vincent Stone King. Mr. Stone King is appearing via Zoom. Mr. Stone King, you can take your mic off of mute.
Hello, Your Honor.
Hi.
Good morning.
Good morning. How you doing, Mr. Stone King?
I'm doing well.
That's good, Mr. Stone King. You're represented in the case by your attorney, Tom Kelly. Attorney Kelly, how are you doing?
I was great until you thought I was Mr. Kirby.
I was looking at his name on the.
I'm doing great.
Okay. And Mr. Kelly, what is your announcement in Mr. Stone King's cases?
Judge, Mr. Hoffpower and I have been able to discuss this a little bit more lately. If you would leave us on your announcement docket, I think we can
Okay,
continue talking about it and see if we can get to a resolution.
what is that date?
21st of the 20th.
June 21st or June 28th?
Either is fine. 21st is
Okay, these cases will reset to June 21st of 2023. Mr. Stone King, you'll stay in contact with your attorney, your bondsman. They'll be given notice of your reset. This will conclude your cases. You're free to go and you have a blessed day.
You too.
And Mr. Kelly, I think these are your only two cases, so you're free to go and you have a blessed day as well.
I have one other case.
You have one more?
Ms. Ford.
Okay, you're free to go, Mr. Stone King. Okay, next case is cause number 33180, case of style of state of Texas versus Barbara Ray Bork. This is cause number M331180, case of style of state of Texas versus Barbara Ray Bork. Ms. Bork, is that your full name?
Yes.
How are you doing, Ms. Bork?
Good thing.
That's good. Now, Ms. Bork, you're here represented by your attorney, Attorney Tom Kelly. Attorney Kelly, what is your announcement in Ms. Bork's case?
Your Honor, I think we've got enough information at this point to make a pretrial diversion application to the DA's office, and if perhaps the court would give us a little bit longer than normal before our next reset. We're going to have that done.
Okay.
45 days.
Oh, yeah, it's gonna be, I think the next pretrial is in
There's one tomorrow.
June.
It's June. Yeah.
Yeah. We can set it in June
It's
12th.
not an issue.
Okay. It'll be reset to June 12th of 2023. Ms. Bork, your attorney is gonna get your reset. Once you get your reset from your attorney, you'll be free to go. You have a blessed day. And Mr. Kelly, this is your last case. You're free to go as well once you sign. Well, once you get your reset, and you have a blessed day as well.
Thanks very much, Your Honor.
Okay, you're welcome. It's Al Farrow. Okay. Next two cases are cause numbers M329263 and cause number M323465. Both cases are stopped the state of Texas versus Ashley Elizabeth Alfaro. Ms. Alfaro is appearing via Zoom. Ms. Alfaro, how are you doing?
I'm okay, Honor. How are you, Your Honor?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. And Mr. Farrell, you're here represented by your attorney, Terrence Burbank. Attorney Burbank, how are you doing?
Doing fine, Judge. Thank you.
Mr. Burbank, what is your announcement in Mr. Farrell's cases?
Your Honor, after reviewing the police reports, I think she is on the special caseload. Is that correct?
Not that hold on a minute.
Next time I have to do the first time.
That's the first one. Let me get started.
Oops. I should have double. Okay. Let me see how fair. Let me hold on a minute. What's that second case? Yeah, Mr. Burbank, I don't see, I guess when you say special case law, you're referring to Spinoza?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yeah, I don't see anything in the file.
I thought it was. I will make, do I need to file a motion under seal?
Yeah, if you, yeah, I don't see anything here.
I will have that for consideration with the court file this morning.
Okay, so we're gonna reset this case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, Ashley Elizabeth Alfaro. June 21st or June 28th, which one is best with your schedule?
Pick a date, Judge. Doesn't matter to me.
21st, okay. This case will be reset to June 21st of 2023, while these cases will be reset to June 21st, 2023. Mr. Farrell, your attorney and your bondsman will be given notice of your recess. Stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman. You're free to go, and you have a blessed day.
You have a blessed day too, Judge Holmes. Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
And you,
Bye-bye.
all right, and you have a blessed day as well, Mr. Burbank.
May I be excused, Your Honor?
Yes, you may be excused.
Thank you.
Oh, they will? Okay. Let's see, so as soon as you,
I'm, my computer and this is taking.
okay, what, basically, okay, Ms. Morales, she had two cases, cause number M333-296 and cause number M333-294. The state has just informed the court that those two cases are going to be dismissed. Is that correct?
That's correct, Your Honor.
Okay, so just have a seat. We're gonna, he's gonna type the motion to dismiss. I'll review it, like, sign it, and then you'll be able to get a copy of your dismissals. And once you get a copy of your dismissals, you'll be free to go on your blessed day. And Mr. Roberts, Attorney Robertson, you'll be free to go as well.
Thank you, Your Honor. And if I don't get to speak with you again, you have a blessed day.
All right, same to you. Thank you.
Okay.
Court's back in session and cause numbers M333296 and cause number M333294. Both cases of style of state of Texas versus Maritza Morales. Ms. Morales, would you please come forward? Those dismissals. You have it? Okay, Ms. Morales, I have two motions to dismiss that was filed by the district attorney's office. There's one in each case, and I've signed those motions. I'll be giving these motions to Attorney Eric Robinson, who will pass them to you. Ms. Morales, your cases have been dismissed. You're free to go, and you have a blessed day. And you have a blessed day as well, Mr. Robinson.
Judge Holmes, thank you for your time.
You're welcome. Next. Who else you have? Okay. Okay. Court is back in session and calls number M322226. Case is Child of State of Texas versus Jonathan David Darden. Starting, would you please come forward? Mr. Hoffmeyer? No, he's right. They doing this. His attorney is in trial. Okay, now, Mr. Darden, your full name is Jonathan David Darden.
Yes, sir.
That was filed by Lamar.
Okay.
Yeah, you're gonna pass that. to you.
Okay.
Mr. Darden, the state of Texas has filed a motion to dismiss your case. And I've just signed the motion to dismiss. And that's your copy.
Yes, sir.
I know you're represented by Attorney Ryan Matuska. I understand that he's in trial right now.
Yes, sir.
So you're free to go and you have a blessed day.
Thank you. You requested as well.
Thank you. John Angel Guillory. Thank him. That's good. Okay, this is cause number M331154. Case is style of state of Texas versus John Angel Guillory. Mr. Guillory, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Guillory, state has, now you are represented by Attorney Ryan Matuska, who is currently in trial. However, the prosecutor in this case, Attorney Lamar Johnson, has filed a motion to dismiss your case. The court has signed that motion. You have a copy of that dismissal. You're free to go and you have a blessed day. Thank you. Okay. And Mr. Cole.
Yes, sir.
Attorney Cole, you can come forward. I think you represented by, well, you are representing Jonathan Giovanni Flores. My understanding is Mr. Flores, I guess, had some car problems. He's currently on the road. You do have his number.
Yes, sir.
Okay, once you give him a call, he can make an appearance. The court is going to allow him to make appearance by phone. State, you have any objections?
No.
Hey, Mr. Flores.
Yes, sir.
I have you on speakerphone. We're actually in session right now, so the judge is going to ask you a few questions and we'll try to get you another date.
Okay, this is cause number M329166. The case is styled the state of Texas versus Jonathan Giovanni Flores. Mr. Flores, is that your full name?
Jonathan, did you hear the judge?
That's all right.
All right, answer, is that your full name?
You've, okay, now, Mr. Flores, you have two cases in this court. Mr. Flores, how are you doing? Mr. Flores, how are you doing?
Doing good, sir. How you doing today?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Now, Mr. Flores, you're represented in this case by your Attorney Giles Cole. Attorney Cole, how are you doing?
Doing a great job.
And Mr. Cole, what is your announcement in Mr. Flores' cases?
Well, I haven't had time to really discuss this case with Mr. Flores. We were gonna do that today and he had a car accident.
Okay, so you just need some more time?
Yeah, sure.
Okay,
June 12th or the 28th?
June 12th.
okay, these cases will be reset to June 12th, 2023. Mr. Flores, stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman. We understand that you had some car troubles today. So we hope that you get that fixed. You're free to go and you have a blessed day.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
All right, you're welcome. All right, you can get your reset, Mr. Cole, and you'll be free to go as well, and you have a blessed day. Jefferson County Court at Law number 2 is back in session. Court is in session and calls number M325319. Case is styled the state of Texas versus Anthony Ray Gillen. Anthony Ray Gillen was scheduled to be in court this morning at 9 a.m. for the court's announcement docket. His attorney, Brian Lane, did appear. However, Anthony Ray Gillen did not appear in court. The time now is 10:37 a.m. on today's date of April 11 of 2023. Mr. Bailiff, would you please call the name of Anthony Gillen's name at the courthouse door?
No response to that name, Your Honor.
Okay, Anthony Gillen's name was called at the courthouse door by the court's bailiff at or about 9 a.m. and his name was just called again at 10:37 a.m. on today's date of April 11th of 2023. And as previously stated, Anthony Gillen has not appeared in court since the court's been in session. Anthony Gillen has been given a reasonable time to appear in court, and he has not appeared in court. State, do you have a motion?
Yes, Your Honor. They move to the bar forward.
That motion will be granted and warrant shall be issued for the arrest of Anthony Gillen in cause number M325319. And this will conclude the calling of the court's announcement docket on today's date of April 11th of 2023. The court will be in recess until the trial convenes at 1:30 p.m. this afternoon. The court will be in recess.